Indomie's lovers, let's make beef vegetable fried indomie for lunch. Hello sweet team, welcome back to Lady B kitchen. Making this recipe, I will be needing indomie. So over here I have 3 packs of indomie. I'm going to be soaking the indomie with warm water. Don't soak the indomie with cold water, guys. Instead, the indomie is going to get spoiled if you use cold water. If you don't want to use hot water, you can as well first of all parboil the indomie for just 1 minute and get rid of the hot water. Our today haul goes to Awa, watching from Liberia. Thank you so much, sweetie, for being part of the family. I'm so happy to have you here. Don't forget to share the recipe. Don't forget to let us know where you are watching from so that the next haul will be for you. Now the indomie is ready. Over here I have a frying pan. Then I will add in butter and let this to get melt. Next I will add in beef. I will season with garlic powder. Then next I will be adding black pepper. Making indomie, I like to season my indomie with black pepper. I like the flavor it brings out. Now I will add in indomie spices. Then I'm going to stir this beef to stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes before it will be ready. 4 to 3 minutes is ready. Then I will just take it out from the pan. Then add in another butter. On this pot I have in chopped carrot and chopped green beans. So these are fried for 1 minute. Next I will add in chopped onions and green and red bell pepper. Season with some black pepper and then add in some pinch of salt and stir fry this for just 1 minute. 1 minute later, I'm done stir frying the vegetables. So this is how it look. Next I will add in the indomie. So I will just add in the indomie, add in the beef and stir together. Nothing much at this point is ready. Just stir together and let the spices to get combined and you serve for the family to enjoy. Just like this, your indomie is ready. It's a simple and delicious recipe. I enjoy every bit of it, and if you really love this video, share and don't forget to drop your comments and let me see you in my next one, because for me I enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.